Dilim ang Charles.
Let me help you, Your Majesty. Come help. Come help her.
I see you're not hiding behind your walls. Violent of you! I'll advise, but violent!
You come here uninvited. Go back to your ships. Go home.
We've come too far, Prince Hector!
Prince, these are not princes. What son of a king would accept man's hospitality in this food, drinks, wine, then steals up in the middle of the night? Son of shallow She's up there is watching, isn't she? Use a water towards you die.
Not yet, brother. I have two more wishes. If you grant them, no more people need to die. First, give Helen back to my brother. Second, Troy must submit to my command to fight for me whenever I call.
No son of Troy will ever submit to a foreign ruler.
Then every son of Troy shall die.
There's another way. I love Helen. I will never give up. Another will lose. So let us fight the old mother. The winner take Helen home. And that will be the end of it.
A brave offer, but not enough.
That becomes the good figure.
I'm not came for your pretty wife. I came for Troy.
I came for my honor. If every bet insults me, let me kill him, then he'll have his city.